Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here outside of the Arun Jaitley Stadium. We've just seen a massive total from KKR, 204 runs. Delhi Capitals started off the day by winning the toss and choosing to bowl first. No one expected KKR to bat this well, considering the fact that they had not been doing that well throughout the season. The batting hadn't clicked as much. But what an eventful inning. And when we look at it, Kolkata Knight Riders at the end of it put up a massive total. And if we look at the KKR batting lineup, everyone except Venkatesh Iyer, Rovman Powell, Anupul Roy, Harshit Rana and Varun Chakravarti, these are the batters that did not get into the double figures. But apart from them, there were two very, very crucial partnerships in the innings. Of course, the one at the top between Sunil Narayan and Rahmanullah Gurbaz, which proved to be very, very important. 48 runs in the first wicket partnership. The highest, and then of course the highest wicket partnership. The highest partnership that we're talking about is the 5th wicket partnership between Ankush Raghuvanshi and Rinku Singh. Ankush Raghuvanshi came in when things had slowed down a little bit in the middle overs, but then Ankush Raghuvanshi did very, very sensible batting. Highest scorer for the defending champions, scoring 44 runs, while Rinku Singh also came in and hammered and was a great 36-run cameo. Now, when we talk about the top 3 batters who got into their 20s, but again, once again, failed to convert it into a big innings. But let's look at the more positive side. KKR got 79 runs in the power play. Andre Russell also contributing with a cameo down the order, while the rest of the batters could not really pick up the pace, but there were some, like I said, two crucial partnership in that game, and ultimately 204 runs for the Kolkata Knight Riders. But talking about the DC bowlers a little bit, which has been a bit of a problem. Now, the surface that we were looking at today was pitch number 5, where that match between where the super over happened between Delhi Capitals and Punjab Kings. That was the one. That was the wicket that was used today as well. So you were expecting a lot of runs to be made today. In comparison to what we saw in the last game happening. So you actually saw some decent runs being made today. But when we talk about the Delhi bowling lineup, Dushmanta Chamira getting that first wicket, but getting hit for 46 runs in 3 overs. And Akshar Patel and Vipraj Nigam getting a couple wickets each. But then the problem remains Kuldeep Yadav. Kuldeep Yadav once again went wicketless for the second time in the row and failed to bowl out anyone. Mukesh Kumar also going for a lot of runs, failed to deliver in the 19th over as well. And honestly, it was Mitchell Starc who sort of pulled back everything for Delhi Capitals in that final over, conceding 9 runs and getting those wickets. So really, when you look at it, Kolkata Knight Riders, a much better performance from what we have seen so far in the campaign. Now it's on to Delhi. They should be able to make a game of this on this Arun Jaitley Stadium wicket. But we'll just have to wait and watch whether it's Kolkata Knight Riders who turn their campaign around or Delhi Capitals who get their momentum back.